Hi, everyone. It's Michael Dobbs, and I'm here today with someone new. So, Mark Burkhead is in the IBM Salesforce practice. Mark and I have worked together on a number of different projects, including the creation of the IBM Salesforce grocery platform, which we've spoken about in the past. Today, we're going to stay on the topic we've been doing for the last couple of videos, which is Salesforce and how IBM can help our partners to implement and really differentiate using Salesforce. So what we wanted to talk about today is chatbots. Chatbots have really been in the news quite a bit. They're a great way, especially in times like this, in times that we're just getting over COVID, people are just starting to get out, and there's a lot of interaction between people and companies. And so there's very, very long wait. I was on the phone just earlier this week trying to book an airline ticket, and there was a 3-hour wait to book an airline ticket. And obviously customers aren't going to put up with that, right? And so how can we help this in this time of Salesforce? So chatbots really are very topical right now and really good for our partners and clients. And the reason is that it really helps the KPIs that they're all trying to improve against. Things like wait time for customers decreasing very significantly, the ability to answer a problem in one call, very significantly improving. And very importantly, that customer experience. If you can cut down on the wait time, if you can really allow customers to get the answers that they're looking for on their own, what we see is that customer experience scores are going up very dramatically. So with that said, Mark, let me pass the ball over to you. Maybe you can tell us a little bit more about chatbots and about Salesforce.
Thanks, Michael. I'm excited to talk about IBM Success partnering with Salesforce to implement virtual agents or chatbots for our clients. IBM's been working with virtual agent tech for a while now, including our own AI-powered Watson Assistant. And right about the time of the IBM and Salesforce partnership announcement, Salesforce announced they'd be releasing their own virtual agent development tech called Einstein Bots onto their Core-Force platform. So it was a natural fit for our Salesforce consulting practice to be ready to take advantage of this new platform capability for our clients, since they already had access to Salesforce and IBM has the deep expertise across global business services working with these virtual agents and systems integrations. So not only is IBM ready and excited for more AI-powered projects, but based on our latest state of Salesforce, as of 2020, over 80% of businesses who have been piloting AI tech will be implementing completed solutions within 18 months. So the enterprise is getting to the level of maturity now with AI, where they're finding ways to adopt this type of technology on a broader scale, and they've been experimenting with different use cases to know where these implementations will be the most effective. You're starting to see more and more of these virtual agents enter the market on company websites and integrated into their customer support processes. At IBM, we've mastered the virtual agent development journey. That includes the way we analyze business processes, how we co-create measurable success criteria with our clients based on their business priorities, knowing how to start fast and simple while ensuring scalability for a more robust roadmap to ensure we're realizing value as soon as possible, ensuring traceability and analytics are a part of the solution, and staying close to the users to analyze interactions using design thinking, as well as iterating often using agile development methods. What's so exciting about Einstein Bots for us is that Salesforce built the capability right into the Force platform. So for our clients who already have Sales or Service Clouds, IBM is able to co-develop streamlined connections from these bots directly into the existing sales, service, and other platform-based processes. Because there's no additional integrations needed to move chat data into the system, Einstein Bots can be connected to these workflows much faster, so we're seeing reduced development time because of that. For typical virtual agent use cases, we're seeing the ability to drive some significant business results. On the service side of the business, some of the key metrics impacted would include number of cases successfully assigned, increased first-touch resolution rates, increased case deflection percentages, reduced time to resolution, and ultimately an increased customer satisfaction score, or NPS. These are some of the most common implementations that we see, and Salesforce has really recognized this by ensuring Service Cloud is tightly integrated to these bots. Features like Omnichannel are seamlessly connected through service channels, and other features like Knowledge can be configured to surface articles to chat visitors. At IBM, we've been working with the concept of a smarter contact center with our clients for years now, and having Einstein Bots as a way to tackle this call deflection and self-service is a really exciting prospect for Salesforce to own this virtual agent tech space of the contact center. On the sales side, we're seeing virtual agents impact the following metrics: increasing the number of leads generated, increasing successful lead assignments, increasing conversion rates and close rates, and reducing the response time. I really like some of the use cases for sales. One way of looking at it is we're creating these web-to-lead forms that can talk back. It's a web-to-lead form that can have a conversation, and at the end of it, you progress this lead cycle while also educating them on your offerings. And hopefully the speed at which we can get them in touch with a human rep has increased significantly. Sometimes it's an instant handoff. It's important to understand that a successful virtual agent doesn't necessarily mean that a task is entirely replaced. Oftentimes we find ways to synergize a virtual agent with a human to augment their tasks and workflows, and ultimately driving a better customer experience with a personalized touch. Einstein bots and the Salesforce platform in tandem make this process really simple. We can connect these bots directly into Lightning apps such as Sales and Service Cloud, and we can also build out ancillary workflows in custom Lightning apps using platform extensions. We're excited to continue our transformation services in partnership with Salesforce and exploring this specific piece of their tech stack. Thank you.
Thanks, Mark. So if anyone would like to learn more about Salesforce and about how IBM can help to drive both Salesforce as well as chatbot technology through Salesforce, please feel free to reach out. Either Mark or myself would be more than happy to talk to you. Thank you so much.